Sarcosuchus is a member of the crocodilomorphs that lived during the early Cretaceous period around 133 to 93 million years ago. They were one of the aquatic giants of their time. When we look at the characteristics of Sarcosuchus, we immediately see that they are very similar to modern crocodiles. Indeed, Sarcosuchus is a branch of crocodile evolution. However, there is one interesting point. Although Sarcosuchus lived hundreds of millions of years ago, they had a very similar appearance to modern crocodiles. Sarcosuchus is not alone. Many other ancient crocodile groups also do not differ significantly from modern crocodiles, raising the question, have crocodiles not evolved? And if they have evolved, why haven't they changed much? Crocodiles are semi-aquatic reptiles characterized by thick skin covered with non-overlapping scales, and they are all predators, though their prey types vary depending on the species. Currently, crocodiles are classified within the order Crocodylia, which includes more than 20 species. However, this is only a small fraction of the number of crocodile species that have ever existed in the fossil record. Before proceeding further, let's align our understanding that the term crocodile in this discussion includes all reptiles from the order Crocodylia and their extinct relatives such as alligators, caimans, and gharials. To understand the beginning of crocodile evolution, we must go back over 250 million years. Although crocodiles are reptiles, they are more closely related to birds than to other modern reptiles. This is evident from the fact that crocodiles and birds share a common ancestor around 252 million years ago, specifically in the early Triassic period, from a group of ancient reptiles called archosaurs. This group is also the ancestor of dinosaurs and pterosaurs. The archosaurs then split into two groups, Avemetatarsalia, which includes dinosaurs, pterosaurs, and modern birds, and Pseudosuchia, which includes crocodiles and their extinct relatives. The archosaurs were one of the groups that survived the Permian-Triassic extinction event and rapidly diversified post-extinction to fill various empty ecological niches. By the late Triassic period, the Pseudosuchia group experienced a golden age, occupying various niches from predators to land herbivores. Some of these groups included large predators like Rawisuchians and Poposaurs, as well as herbivores like Atosaurs. However, the mass extinction event at the end of the Triassic wiped out nearly all Pseudosuchian lineages except for one that survived, crocodilomorphs. These are the ancestors of all crocodiles from the Jurassic period to the present day. The Triassic-Jurassic extinction event, around 201 million years ago, wiped out approximately 76% of Earth's species and marked the end of the Triassic period. Entering the Jurassic period, surviving species began to fill the newly available ecological niches. Dinosaurs began to dominate the land, pterosaurs the skies, while crocodiles dominated the waters. Only one lineage of Pseudosuchians survived, the crocodilomorphs. Some members of this group developed a semi-aquatic or even fully aquatic lifestyle. For example, the Neosuchia group gave rise to all modern crocodiles. During the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods, crocodiles underwent significant adaptive diversification to fill ecological niches left by extinct groups. Some iconic members of this group include Sarcosuchus, which lived during the early Cretaceous period and grew up to 9 meters in length and weighed around 3 to 4 tons, and Deinosuchus, which lived during the late Cretaceous period with a length of up to 10 meters and a weight of around 5 tons. Their large size made them iconic, and both Sarcosuchus and Deinosuchus likely preyed on dinosaurs. However, examining other branches of crocodile evolution reveals even more unique forms. For instance, Metriorhynchus resembled fish, but was actually a branch of crocodile evolution. These marine reptiles belong to the suborder Thalattosuchia, which appeared in the early Jurassic to early Cretaceous periods. Thalattosuchia were marine crocodilomorphs, sometimes referred to as sea crocodiles, although some lived in freshwater environments. Some members exhibited extreme adaptations for open ocean life with limb transformations into flippers, tail development, and smooth scaleless skin. Modern crocodiles belong to the order Crocodylia, which is divided into three families: true crocodiles, Crocodylidae; alligators and caimans, Alligatoridae; and gharials, Gavialidae. They share a common ancestor dating back to the late Cretaceous period, around 95 million years ago. One of the oldest members of the order, Crocodylia, is Portugalosuchus, discovered in Portugal. Crocodiles have been around since the Mesozoic era, making them one of the few groups that survived the mass extinction at the end of the Cretaceous period that wiped out the dinosaurs. Their slow metabolism adaptation allows crocodiles to survive long periods without food. So when the asteroid impact reduced plant cover and herbivores lost their food sources, crocodiles avoided starvation. After the mass extinction, crocodiles diversified again, leading to the species we know today. However, these explanations do not fully address why crocodiles have not changed much. There is a misconception that crocodiles have not evolved, but that is not entirely true. All living organisms continue to evolve, but significant differences take millions of years to manifest. Crocodiles appear unchanged because they have been highly successful with their current form, so there has been little need to change. Nonetheless, crocodiles have undergone changes. For example, Thalattosuchia living in the sea had extreme body transformations. Additionally, the ancestors of crocodiles originally lived on land, and some groups attempted to return to land, such as the Planocranidae, a family of ancient crocodiles from 66 to 50 million years ago that were adapted for terrestrial life with blunt claws resembling hooves. Although some branches of crocodiles like Thalattosuchia and Planocranidae went extinct, semi-aquatic crocodiles have been more successful and have persisted to the present day. This demonstrates that they are highly adaptive and continue to evolve within an efficient body structure. That's the discussion on the evolution of crocodiles from ancient times to modern times. From Sarcosuchus to the crocodiles we know today, their evolution shows incredible adaptations over millions of years. Although they seem to have changed little, crocodiles continue to evolve and thrive in various environmental conditions. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and found this information useful, don't forget to like and share it. Also, please leave your comments below if you have any questions or topics you want to discuss. To support the continuation of this channel, you can donate via Saweria by scanning the following QR code or clicking the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video. Thank you and keep the learning spirit alive.